Welcome to the overview of our Talley Riggins Lean video tutorials. In this first video, we will cover what lean construction is, the impact it has on our company culture, and the breakdown of our lean project dashboard program as a part of our last planner system. Lean construction is a delivery method that breaks down the traditional system through a continuous improvement framework built around eliminating waste, driving value, and transforming culture. All projects at Talley Riggins use this program to drive successful project outcomes through high-performing teams. Our one team, one goal mindset empowers our people to lead with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn and improve. The effective use of this program enables our jobs to be successful and distinguishes us in the industry. Now that we have briefly discussed what lean construction is, here is a message from our president, John Riggins.
Hi, John Riggins, President, Partner, Talley Riggins Construction Group. Welcome to our Lean Construction Method tutorial sessions. One team, one goal is taking everybody that is involved with the project, all the way down to the guys in the field, the guys that are putting the work in place. It creates that team atmosphere where we're all working towards one goal, which is obviously a successful completion of a project and a happy client. So what I've seen so far is that lean construction is used mostly in the healthcare market. What Doug and I have seen is that it's not just a healthcare market that you can use this process with. Everything from industrial to retail to office, all of the different markets that we pursue and that we execute work in, it works. So the first project that we tried it on, it was a 230,000 foot tilt wall industrial building, just a shell box. We finished that job 3 weeks early. That's unheard of in the industrial world. Those things are always right down to the wire because you have to pursue them with such a tight schedule. So that's what sold Doug and myself on, you know what, we can do this across all market segments. And it became a key differentiator between us and our competitors. So at Talley Riggins Construction Group, we've got 5 core values: servant leadership, respect for people, client value creation, integrity, and stewardship. The most important one is the servant leadership. What that means is to serve, that's to give, be a giver, if you will. So you're always putting others first. So when lean construction was brought to us, that's really what this is all about, is you're serving others with your knowledge. You're giving your information up. Instead of holding it tight to your chest and wondering what everybody else is thinking, you're giving that information. And that open and honest communication kind of goes towards that tagline of one team, one goal. Everybody's working together for the greater goal, the greater good, the successful completion of a project.
Let us now discuss what our lean project dashboards are really about. Our Talley Riggins project dashboard program is based on the last planner system, designed to create a more predictable and reliable workflow. These dashboards are an effective platform to help manage the right communication and commitments within your project teams. The entire system is composed of 5 total whiteboards, a 3-week project dashboard, a percent plan complete board, a constraint management board, and delivery and inspection boards. In this series of video tutorials, we will walk through and demonstrate how each board is meant to be utilized on your team's projects. At the end of these video tutorials, we hope that you will be able to use these as a resource to become proficient at facilitating this process on your job sites.